In this video, I will show you how you can fix the iPhone stuck on red battery screen on any iPhone. Now, if you're facing this issue that if your iPhone is showing a red battery and if it is not turning on, so this basically happens when your iPhone's battery is completely out of charge. Now, currently this issue is fixed on my iPhone, but if you're facing this issue, first of all, just try to charge your iPhone. Now, if you have already tried to charge your iPhone, so just check if the charging cable of your iPhone is damaged or not. If the charging cable of your iPhone is damaged, just replace your charging cable. And also try to charge your iPhone using another device. Like you can plug one end of your charging cable to your laptop and plug the other end of your charging cable to your iPhone so that you could charge your iPhone directly from your laptop. Now, if you have tried all the charging methods, but if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, first of all, just check the back of your iPhone and check if it is warm or not. If your iPhone is already warm, then just leave your iPhone for a couple of minutes until it cools down. Then just try to charge your iPhone again. But if your iPhone is not warm, then just use a hair dryer and set it on medium and warm your iPhone for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Now you do not have to heat up your iPhone, just use your hair dryer to warm up your iPhone a little bit. Or you can leave your iPhone under sunlight so that it warms up your iPhone a little bit. And after your iPhone warms up a little bit, then just try to charge your iPhone again and this will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the iPhone is stuck on red battery screen on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.